Hi friends, welcome back to the Witness Canva session, and I know that everybody is super excited because today is all about Canva, and today we are going to learn a new animation hack inside the Canva. Friends, you can also try out this hack at your home with your free Canva version itself. Friends, you know that Canva provides a lot of inbuilt animation features, but sometimes I come across some animated videos which are really very cool, and when you go to Canva to build such type of features, you will find that Canva is already providing a custom animation features inside it to build such animations, and today I'll be showing you that how to do that also. So friends, let's start today's designing. Now friends, as you can see that I am inside my free Canva dashboard, and for creating a new design, I just need to click on create a design button, and here you will find a lot of options like video, mobile video, Facebook, Instagram, Reel, TikTok, YouTube video and many others. Today I'll be going for this option that is 1920 into 1080 sizing. So friends, let's click on it, and here we are inside it. And for making the animation, first of all, I like to create a background picture. For that, I have already uploaded one picture for my free Canva. So let's select that picture, and I will just make it as a background picture. Now I'll go for selecting a beautiful element, that is, I'll go for a bee or a butterfly which will be flying on this landscape. You can go for any feature. I'll just click on a butterfly, and here you will find a lot of options like the butterfly. You can see a lot of elements are pro, but some free elements are also pretty cool. You can see this butterfly pink one, and also you can go for this one. I will go for this one, and you can rotate it little bit like this. You can reduce the sizing like this. You can go for it, and you can put it here. Now we will just click on the animate option. So let's go there, and here you can see Canva is already providing its inbuilt features from rise, pan, fade and a lot more. But today I will show you the custom animation, that is create a custom animation. So let's go there, and we have to drag the element like this. Okay, so let's do that. And friends, for being perfect, it will take some time, but not to worry, we'll try it. So let's see. So let's see like this. We can go and we can create our own path of this butterfly flying on this landscape. Yeah, so you can see how it is flying. Yeah, okay. You can also increase the speed little bit according to your own wish and go for a perfection. Now friends, you can also add effects to it, like we can rotate it so that the butterfly will rotate in the path and it will complete its pathway with the full rotation. You can also make it flicker so that it will flicker along when it is moving. So let's see once what is actually happening after putting two effects. So let's see it. Okay. Since we have given two effects, it's both flipping as well as it is rotating. So let's close it, and I just want to create something else. So let's delete the path and I'll just create a new one. So let's see it. Just you need to hold and drag the mouse, and if you release the mouse, your animations will also go. So I'll just remove this flicker effect. You can click on remove animation, and create animation, the path which you already created. You can see it. So let's click on done and let's check it out. Yeah, and it's in a rotation version. So what I will do, I'll just again close it. I'll just go to custom option. I'll just remove this animation. Again, I'll go to this custom. You can make it pulse. Yeah, I think it's looking a little bit good. You can increase the speed so that it appears pretty cool as an animation. Well, it's looking good. What do you think, my dear friends? I feel it's okay. So let's click on done option and let us see the final result of it. Well, you can check it how it is coming. Yeah. Now let me close it, and also if you want you can add some bees inside it. So let go and I will put one bee. So let's click on B1 and let's click on C, and we will put one cute little bee like this. You can check it and make it very small. So let the bee also fly from here. And again you just need to click on this animate option. Click on this create animation. And here you are. Just make the path like this, and make it free like wow, butterfly and bee, everything is flying, right? So isn't that super cool? I really loved it. You can also try out this at your home with your free Canva version itself. So friends, I think that you really enjoyed this tutorial along with this super cool animation hack. And after practicing design, you can also put your comments inside the comment box so that I can also check out that you are really practicing it and also enjoying it. Friends, here is an announcement, and I like to say that Elementor Pro and Divi sale is going on. So, in that case, you can purchase Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost, and I'll show you how to purchase it. For that, you have to go to the YouTube and you have to type like @HBNet agency. You can see our HBNet agency YouTube channel. Just click on the playlist. Here you can see a lot of playlists including Learning Elementor Pro. Also, we come with many unique website designing ideas. You can see the playlist of all the website designing ideas, and also you can learn WordPress in depth from our channel. But now I will show how you can buy Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost. In that case, you can go to the Elementor Pro playlist. You can see a lot of videos we have placed. You can click any of the videos. I'll click this one. I'll just see that here it is written Get Elementor Pro. Just click on More and click on this link. Now you can see we have come to the Elementor website where we can buy Elementor Pro. A lot of plan of Elementor is there from Essential, Popular, Expert and Agency. So you can buy accordingly. For agency you can go for this plan, and also you can see the features and buy. You can also see they are providing 24/7 support. And if you click on this buy now button, you will also get some discounts. Okay, just also read all the things. You can also compare the plan features. Everything is given in detail. Okay. Now I'll show you how you can purchase Divi theme. For that, it is written that get Divi theme. Now I'll take you to the elegantthemes.com. Okay, just go there. Here you can see we have come to the Divi website. Now what we have to do? We just have to click on the pricing. See, it's written the summer sale is going on. Okay. Now you can purchase Divi yearly also and for lifetime also. If you want to purchase Divi for 1 year, in that case, click on sign up today. And you can put all the add-ons here like Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP and Divi Themes. If you don't need it, just click on no thanks, proceed to checkout. or you can click on the close button. Okay. Now I will show you how to purchase DV lifetime. In that case, go to back and just toggle it DV lifetime. Now you can see just for rupees $199 we can purchase DV and also we will save 20%. Okay, just click on sign up today and again the pop-up box came. If you want to purchase the DVI and every DV support, then you can put 111 to the cart. If you don't need it, just click on the close button. You can create your account and put like a just put your username. I'm putting like ABCD now and you can click anything just like this at the rate. Just give your email ID and you can create one password and also confirm your password and you can put your first name and the last name and you can put your country. In that case, we are India, so it's India only. You can also purchase from your card or from the direct bank account. Okay. Now you have to click on the you agree to the terms and conditions and you can complete your registration. Okay. So this is how you will buy the DV. So friends, that's all for today. And tomorrow I'll be again coming back at 9:15 p.m. sharp with a new video. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our HBNet Agency YouTube channel. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.